Hi guys, now we are in Samut Prakan, Bangkok, Thailand, where we can experience the beauty of seagulls. This place is well known for the thousands of seagulls that visit during the cooler months, especially from November to February. Now as you can see, a lot of people here. Guys, seagulls or gulls are a widespread group of seabirds found all over the world. They do not have a single originated country because they are highly adaptable and have evolved in inhabit coastal regions, lakes, and even urban areas across all continents except Antarctica. Different species of seagulls are native to various parts of the world, like for example herring gull, black-headed gull, silver gull, California gull. So guys, seagulls are cosmopolitan birds, meaning they are naturally found in many regions globally. Guys, Bangkok Recreation Center in Samut Prakan is open daily from 10 in the morning until 8 in the evening. The seagull watching season typically runs from November to April, with peak sightings between December and February. For the best experience, it's recommended to visit during the early morning or late afternoon hours when the seagulls are most active. Additionally, the on-site restaurant opens at 10 in the morning, providing a convenient spot to relax and enjoy local cuisine during your visit. Guys, do you know that seagulls play an important role in their ecosystems and offer several advantages to the environment and humans? Seagulls help keep the environment clean by feeding on organic waste such as discarded food, fish scraps, and dead animals. This prevents the accumulation of waste and helps maintain ecological balance. By consuming fruits and seeds, seagulls contribute to seed dispersal, aiding in plant growth and the spread of vegetation in coastal areas. Seagulls are part of the food chain too and help control populations of insects, small fish, and other prey species, ensuring a balanced ecosystem. Okay guys, now we are going outside.